Hello, and today is day 15 of the 28-day gratitude challenge. Um, the topic today is magically heal your relationships. I think all of us have dealt with a relationship in our lifetime, whether it's a significant other or a family member or a friend or a coworker, where the relationship really went sour, or we just can't quite renew the relationship, or make it better. And usually that is because we're placing blame, we're judging, we're not being grateful for what we used to love about them. I mean, especially like with our significant other, there was something that we loved about them, or we wouldn't have married them, we wouldn't have had children. But sometimes as the years go by, we tend to focus on all of the things that are going wrong. So it's really important to remember, even if you have to think back, to always find even if it's what you used to love, you'll learn to love those things again, because when you start showing gratitude for those qualities in the person that you're trying to renew your relationship with, then it's magical what happens, because I've experienced that myself. So it says here, blame is never going to make a relationship better, and it's never going to make your life better. In fact, the more you blame, the worse the relationship gets and the worse your life gets. And that's so true. Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism, said holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one that gets burned. So that's quite a profound statement there. So how can we get rid of the bad feelings that we have towards someone else? Sometimes we have to think back, and like for a significant other, if we're divorced, we're not together anymore, but we have children together, then it's really important that you have a child-centered divorce, and there's certain rules that you set up in that environment. But if you think about it, without him, your children would not be there. So, and that's one of your greatest gifts. So look at things like that. Maybe you got to watch your children take their first steps, and your husband may have been working so that you could stay at home. That you can find so many things to be grateful for. Maybe he went out and mowed the grass every week, or he took care of you while you were sick and took care of the kids. And, there's so many things that you could find that you could actually be grateful for in that person. And there's gold. It says there's gold in every relationship, even the difficult ones. And to bring riches to all of your relationships and your life, you have to find the gold. As you dig and discover a nugget of gold, write it down, address the person by name, and express your sentence in gratitude. So you're going to say, for instance, Paul, I'm grateful to you for our children. The joy I receive from them every day could not be without you. Paul, I'm grateful to you for the precious moments I had with our children as they grew up. I got to see our children talk and walk for the first time, and I know you didn't have that opportunity. And there's more of them in here, but you're going to want to try to find 10 things and really go into detail of why you're grateful for them for that particular thing. Because once you start doing that, in no time, you're going to see a change in your relationship with the other person. And it really does work, because this happened in my own relationship. And things were really tough, and I realized that I was really focusing on all of the things that I didn't like, And that's where where focus goes, energy flows, right? So when I started focusing on all of the good things, and I could find a lot of good things, when you're focusing on the bad things, you think that's all there is. But when you focus on the good things, you'll be surprised at how all of those other things kind of fade away. So you're going to do your regular gratitudes, your 10 gratitudes, and say thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, let me remind you, yesterday we were talking about showing gratitude for things before you got them. So when you're showing gratitude for things that you want or that kind of thing, then thank you comes before the statement. So if you're showing gratitude for something that you have, then you're going to count your blessings, say thank you, and say why. Really place some meaning with it because it really anchors it in that way. And then you say thank you, thank you, thank you at the end. So you're going to choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you're grateful for about the person you've chosen. Write it down in the following way. Name, I'm grateful for what? Now, all you have to do, sometimes you have to think way back, especially if you've been together for a long time. You might have to do some searching, and go back if you've had a difficult relationship for a while. And she had a story in here that was really sweet about her parents. And her parents actually had a beautiful relationship. But when the father died, the mother was just really suffering from enormous grief. So after months of suffering, she began to use gratitude's magical power. And despite her immense grief and pain, she looked for things to be grateful for. She began with the past, and she recalled all of the wonderful times of happiness she had received through the decades with her husband. Then she took the next big step, and she looked for things to be grateful for in the future. She was very lonely. She was grieving for her husband, that they had a wonderful life together. So, it was really difficult for her when she lost him. So now she was brave enough after really going through the history of their relationship, she was ready to go forward. So she started focusing on things that she hadn't done all those years that she always wanted to do, and she couldn't do it because they were raising children or just busy, and they just never got the chance to do that. And so when she started focusing on those things, then all of a sudden all of these opportunities started showing up, and her life completely changed. So the focus, the awareness, everything, that your thoughts are so powerful. So let's focus on all the good stuff, guys, and let's try to find gratitude, because if we have resentment or blame or judgment, it never ends well. So I hope this finds you well. We're going to do this again tomorrow, and the next one is magic and miracles in health. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.